Welcome back to the OSUP channel. Today we're going to take you around town and show you just how cheap it is to have a day out in Bangkok. So we just took a bike from our spot all the way into Chinatown for about 40 baht. So it's about a 10-minute ride for 40 baht. Great price. And now we've just stumbled upon this super popular little pastry spot. So we're gonna give it a try. We don't really know what they are, but they look really good and people obviously lined up. Here comes some more actually. I don't know, we'll give them a try though. So this one right here is coconut, and this was what, 10 baht?
Yeah, 10 baht.
10 baht. Wow. No wonder it's popular. That's delicious. It's so good for 10 baht.
Should we go get more? For the night?
I think we should go get more. Okay, so for 40 baht to get here, and then for 12 to 20 to 1,000 baht, you can get as many of these as you want. And they're so good. So already we've only spent about
60 baht.
like 60 baht, and we've already had this little weird, unique experience here in Bangkok.
This is my first time that I saw this, and I never tried this before, and it's so good, guys.
So rule of thumb I always follow here in Bangkok or anywhere traveling, if you go somewhere that you don't know and you're looking for something to eat and you stumble upon a place where there are people clamoring to get the item, give it a try at least, I would say. It's so easy to have a unique travel experience here in Thailand. If you step out your comfort zone and you spend very little money, you can really experience a lot here. It's a great place. But we've made it to our lunch destination. We're having nem nuong, a little Vietnamese spring roll. Absolutely amazing. Alright, so here we have the nem nuong. You build it yourself, so they give you rice paper, which you soak in here, and then you put on your plate and you add like green banana, green mango, cucumber, noodle, chili, whatever you want, plus this sausage, and then you dip it in this sauce right here. So good. It's so good. Okay, I kind of made a good one. It's a little bit smaller, but it's good.
I like big. I do like it.
That was so good. I would definitely suggest looking up nem nuong and trying to find yourself some. I'll leave a link in the description for this restaurant. Really, really tasty.
And I gotta say, this place, the nam nuong, the meat, it's fucking big. It's so good, but if you go to like other nam nuong, it's smaller.
And for the price, I'm pretty full.
I'm so full, yes.
Yeah, for 250 baht, for two of us to eat, super, super good price, I think. So far we've spent, let's say 300 baht.
Yeah, like $10.
Like $10, and we've eaten a full meal, we've had a snack, and we've traveled about 10 minutes by bike. But even for free, you can just walk around some of these alleys, which we're doing right now, and it's, they're so visually kind of beautiful that it's quite the experience. So if you're on a really low budget, I would say just walk around. It's the best thing you can do. As you walk down these streets, you get to see, all the different old bikes, all the stores, even like temples like this and like that. It's such a great free experience.
Ooh. It's a like fish stomach.
You gonna give it a try?
I want you to try this. Okay.
This is the fish?
Yes.
They're very good. Like really interesting texture, but the flavor is good. Alloy mai. Kapuna. อร่อยไหม อร่อย
Hot.
It is hot. that was a lovely experience with a sweet old lady who knows how to cook some fish stomach. If you're into it, stop by. Well, look at this view right here. We have temple, we have tuk-tuks, we have cars, a busy street, and I trapped myself. You gotta be, it's like a maze when you're walking around some of these places. You really have to be aware of your surroundings. But yeah, like so much color, little shrines, little temples, all of this stuff for free. Just because we're walking through here, we've actually spotted a little bit of a market. Now we're gonna try to cross this road and bring you right into the thick of it. Wow, out of my years of traveling, I've never found this exact market, so it's always something new to discover here. There's so much to see inside this market. It's almost like overwhelming, the amount of food and items and all of this, that you don't really know what they are. A little bit of a traffic jam here.
Chinatown.
And look at that, we walked through this market we've never been to, and then we come to the place where everybody has been. Come full circle today. We made it out to the famous Yawalat Street. Wow, look at this. So imagine this. 5 minutes ago, we were amongst thousands of people rushing, moving, buying, selling, and now we're here. And it's quiet, and it's relaxing. You're amongst monks and people that are in prayer. I think the best part about this city is you can go from the most intense place, so many people, so much noise, so much smells, to some of the most relaxing places within a 2-minute walk, let's say.
Yeah.
And I think that's one of the best things about this city, and it's also completely free.
And also, you can go back to the busy part in 2 minutes too.
Yeah, exactly. Hey, treat it like a Nordic spa. Go from the hot, busy area to the cold and cool and calm areas. Just go back and forth. Really good for your health and completely free. Another thing I absolutely love about this city is the people that carry the most crazy amount of stuff on their bikes. Like this guy right here. And it's almost like they're squatting. You know, I don't know where they're going with it, but hopefully it's not too far because it looks fucking uncomfortable. It looks really uncomfortable. We seem to have found another really popular little spot. Alright, so Penny has found one more spot. She's still hungry somehow. This place smells delicious, looks delicious, and it has a Michelin guide stamp, so I'm sure it's gonna be really good.
6 year.
So if you can find this spot, come and try it. What are your thoughts?
It looked like, but I will try if it's gonna taste good.
I think it's gonna taste good.
Smell good.
Like garlic.
The noodle, I think they make it by themselves. It tastes, for me it tastes like normal, but like the texture of noodle though is so good.
The noodle is really good. There's like a subtle taste. There's like not a lot to it, but it is delicious. Like the texture of things are good. The flavor is very nice. Ah, bird nest soup. No, thank you.
If you wonder why we say that, go back to our video.
Yeah, if you wonder why I have issues with that, there's a whole video about I try a bunch of health foods and Not good. Is that what you have to do? This game is like volleyball, football, and like badminton combined. What's it called, Penny? Taco is what it's called, and it's it seems really hard. They play with like a wooden ball almost, like a wicker ball, and you have to hit it over the net with using your legs. You have to be really good at keeping the ball up with your legs if you want to do that. We made it to the river. I'm not sure if we're allowed to be on this pier, but we made it here for sunset, and it's so beautiful. What a spot.
Wow.
You know, I'm going to keep repeating it throughout this video, but the best things you can do in the city are not the expensive things. Come to neighborhoods, walk around, do what the locals do, and you'll be very, very happy. Hold on. Obviously be careful though.
Look at this, look at this.
We're up and down about 5 feet here.
What's this?
But this might be an expensive restaurant. Oh. Are you friendly, my friend? Oh, you're very friendly. Hi. Hi, beautiful. Oh my god, you're a little guard dog. You scared, Penny. This brings us to the end of the video. We really appreciate all of you that have subscribed and that watch our videos. It really makes us so happy to create something that people like to watch. I hope you enjoyed the video, and again, I really appreciate every single one of you. We'll catch you in the next one. Have a good day.